Ever notice AI gives you an answer that's almost right, but misses something important? That usually happens because AI is guessing. Step-by-step requests fix that by forcing structure. Instead of asking for everything at once, you tell the AI how to think through the problem, one stage at a time. Instead of saying, write me a proposal, try this. First, ask clarifying questions. Second, draft a solution. Third, list risks. Fourth, give a final version. Same AI, dramatically better output. The mistake is saying, think step by step and hoping for the best. The fix is defining the steps you actually want. When you control the workflow, the AI stops rambling and starts delivering. This works everywhere: emails, architecture designs, data analysis, video scripts, even executive decisions. Anytime accuracy and clarity matter, step-by-step beats one-shot prompts. AI isn't bad at answers. It's bad at guessing what you want. Give it steps, and it stops guessing and starts working like a real assistant.